Here's the question. 30 divided by, inside the watch cost, 10 divided by 5 plus, so first of all, let's solve it. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Inside the brackets, if we solve 10 divided by 5 plus 1, first we'll solve the division, so 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 2 plus 1 will remain the same. Let's solve it further. Inside the brackets, 2 plus 1 becomes 3, right? If we remove the brackets from 6, then multiply by 3 equals 2. 6 times 3 is 218. This is the answer, but this is wrong. Now rewrite the question. 13. Divide by 5, bracket, 10 divided by 5. Plus. First, we'll solve the brackets. Inside the brackets, we'll solve the division first. Now, 10 divided by 5 becomes 2, and plus 1 stays the same. Now, let's solve it further. 30 divide by 5. 2 plus 1. Let's solve further. 30 divide by. 5 will become 2 plus 1. If we solve further inside 3 brackets, then 30 divided by 5. We'll bring down the brackets. Let's do the multiplication. Multiply by 3. Now we'll check from left to right. We'll give first priority to division, second priority to multiplication. So, further, 30 divided by 5 times 3. 30 divided by 5 is 6 times now. 6 times 3 equals 18. This is the same answer.